should be good. Is that on FRC? I think she's gonna go crazy. Let me go ahead and tag this. What up? What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? Are you guys able to, like, hear me and see me fine? I have an idea for tomorrow, but I can't initiate it until tomorrow. Is it still, like, choppy and stuff? I had to go from ultra low latency to low latency.
At 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we get the weekly EIA data. Crude oil inventories forecast minus 0.5 million. On the prior, minus 5.054 million, with a range of 2.9 million to minus 3.05 million. Gasoline inventories forecast minus 1.5 million. On the prior, minus 2.408 million. Distillate inventories forecast minus 0.8 million. On the prior, minus 0.576 million. And crude Cushing inventories prior 0.319 million. Bear in mind that yesterday's US API crude oil stock change came in at minus 3.939 million.
You guys just might have like another 1 second delay, that's all. Wait, Peterson, what do you mean? Holy GTCK. Congrats if you just hit on that. This was just at 13%. I hit it for like a scalp last week. Whoa, GNS, hello. All right, GNS. How about it? Ape to 155. FRCB has 71 million in volume. GNS volume currently 1.26. muln 175 million in volume almost. MCOM in Pennyland. We have Bitcoin coming down right now. RSI is only at 29. $112 on GNS.
1 minute remaining. I'll lead with the EIA crude oil inventories. Ten seconds.
GNS trying up. Uh-oh. FRC is dropping like a rock. Where's the bottom at on this bitch?
-1.28 million, -1.28 million. A draw on the forecast of -0.5 million. Gasoline inventories 1.742 million, 1.742 million. A build on the forecast of -1.5 million.
Oh, I would have just got that fill. Fuck yeah.
-1.19 million, -1.19 million. A draw on the forecast of -0.8 million. And crude Cushing inventories 0.541 million, 0.541 million.
Watch how fast this thing turns around and goes. Just watch this, guys. Bitcoin trying. RSI is at 33. GNS has 22% up. muln to 177 million in volume right now. Volume
UK DMO
on
says it's to sell £3.5 billion at 3.25% 2033 gilts on May 10th via an auction.
GNS to 1.5 mil approximately. TRKA towards the 48 and rejected, but that's already showing 4.5 million in volume.
Inventories of crude in the U.S. Strategic Petroleum Reserve off 2 million barrels to 364.94 million.
This is about to spin around. Give me 1 second. I have to let Bella out. Come here. Go. You're okay, Lucky. Not a big deal. Poor Lucky got himself stuck, so I had to free him.
U.S. crude stocks in the SPR fell in the latest
What up,
week,
Jesse?
the lowest since October 1983.
So my thoughts on FRC are that we're gonna see kind of like a rerun of SIVBQ. Those are my assumptions. It's just like, where's the bottom? But like once it goes, I think it's gonna go. TRKA is trying. No, it's not. Never mind. MICS. Super low flow and people are looking at it. I'm running out of charts here.
Brent and U.S. crude futures fall over $3 to session lows.
I mean, they're already up 50%, so I'd be chasing. I mean, it could very well move, but it just I'm already 50% late. FRC, is it your time? Mullen climbing up on the 200 and VWAP as well. TRKA is like dragging my like you know what through glass. We are at 77 million in volume on FRC right now. Down 90%. And 90%. TRKA, what doing? Yeah, I didn't think that was gonna last. Mulling towards the 200. Bitcoin's RSI is a 40. Trying to take back the red line at least. And Voss down. Might be a good entry. Can somebody let me know if GNS pops again, please? I just feel like everybody has to be watching Bitcoin to understand like the trend. Or, like what's happening. Currently, futures are Dow's on, S&P is up 0.13, and NASDAQ is up 0.31.
U.S. Secretary of State Blinken says, I'm hopeful I can make the trip to China this year.
Highcroft up 7.5%. Mullen trying through the 200 and VWAP. RSI on Bitcoin is at 29. So we're not, the market just isn't getting much upwards pressure at the moment. RSI on Mullen, however, is 65. Mullen with the little push. AMC is up only 2%. goev is up 4%. IDEX up 6. POAI up almost 11. Megals up 14. GNS to 20%. And we've done about 80 million in volume on FRC at the moment. Trying to solidify the 200 and the red line on TRKA. Bitcoin just under my red line. MCOM to 97 cents. Are they just going to tank it? Or are they going to SIVB it? See how everything slowed down, guys? Okay. I'm not even going to record that. See how everything slowed down?
Treasury yields
now we're gonna
extend
push on Bitcoin.
declines. 10-year and 30-year are at today's lows.
I'm feeling a reversal just because of that. Everything slowed down. Volume cooled off across the board. Things that are at resistance levels. Like, it just makes sense for a reversal. TRKA trying. Bitcoin, gotta get over that red line. FRC. Time to blast. TRKA. and rejected, along with Bitcoin. Potential double bottom. You're going to say why double bottom? I'm going to say because these are engulfing, and a lot of times I just ignore engulfing candles. Oh, never mind. Sliding on Bitcoin. TRKA still trying at that level. 5.5 million in volume at the moment. FRC has 81 million in volume. Mullen, but all the EMAs collapsed there. Higher lows now on FRC. GNS is up 18%. Do it. Let me be right. Turnover right now is reading as 12.4. Boiled to 278. Wow. You're not joking.
At 11 a.m. Eastern Time, we expect comments from German Finance Minister Lindner, who speaks about new business models for the German economy.
Is it really? BBBYQ. BBBYQ. There we go. Yep, 6%. Wow. Right. Oh my god. Well, I mean, pretty much like most of the Bitcoin miners are going to be in the same basket. I'm assuming. Go ahead. Looking for the market to just find its bottom. A lot of indecision there with the wicks. This could be the bottom. $83 million in volume right now on FRC. Mullen to a double bottom. Or Mullen. Bitcoin to a double bottom. Mullen is at 200. Trying to get the 13 over the 2. TRKA is looking at about 6 million in volume. Average 18. FRC is dead. It could be, or it could pull an SIVB.
We expect comments from German Finance Minister Lindner, who speaks about new business models for the German economy.
Okay. To each their own. To each their own. Yeah, of course I do. Lately, we've been doing pretty well on them, though. Good scalps. Good scalps, good momentum plays. Yeah. That's fine. I don't know how many times I said AI or Coinbase or Snapchat yesterday. Or, like... Wow, fucking Hub C. I should have taken it. Oops. Or Carvana. Talked about Carvana a lot yesterday, too. AI just went unch. Pretty much. Seriously though, pull up an SIVBQ chart and look at the daily. That's all I'm telling. Just go ahead and do that, and then ask me why I'm charting FRC. That's all. Close to a gold cross on TRKA. Is that the bottom? Go ahead. 420 tickers are up. Thank you. FRC might have just found that bottom that we were looking for. Alright, now remember, it's 91% down now. From the bottom? You're looking at the chart wrong. I'll pull it up because I sent that screenshot to somebody else. I'll send it to you, actually. Oh, shit. Wait. I thought I sent a screenshot to somebody. I did. Forward. Jordan. There you
go. Shortly expecting comments from German Finance Minister Lindner.
Heads up on just heads up on FRC on the rebound. On like a dead cat bounce scalp. That's what I'm saying. We're talking about percentages, Jordan. We're talking about pennies. It was over 100%. I'm not saying that FRC will get over $1. Whoever said that. I'm just saying that it could be a decent scalp play. That's all. If you don't like it, you don't have to bitch about it. Like, chill out. GNS has 15%. Nice. Go for that gold cross, though. Here, you want to see something? Let me show you a little lesson. So, you could have bought FRC all the way down to, I don't know, we'll call it midway through this candle, 7 cents, right? And then the next day it finished at 97 cents. Please, like, if you're gonna question me, at least have like some like something to back you up, please. Because I back myself up with facts. No, exactly. Cool, calm, collected. But I'm just, like, trying to, you know, get the point across that FRC did, or SIVB did almost 1,000% return in a day. So, yeah, I am tracking a ticker that's very similar to it. And I think it would be very stupid not to, actually. No offense. Wolf was down 19%. Or 9%, excuse me. VIX to an 1866. Mullen coming up to the EMAs, which are still collapsed on top of each other. What you're waiting for, theoretically, would be the turn. SIG could be a snipe? Yeah, SIG could be a snipe. You're right. Mullen trying at the 48. Do the 48. Look at all the indecision here on Bitcoin. Like, you can see the wicks. A lot of indecision to the downside. It just shows that it wants to go higher. Or spin around, I should say. RSI on Bitcoin, by the way, is a 42. I wouldn't be surprised if it takes me, being right about FRC right now in order to, wait. Sorry, let me restate. I wouldn't be surprised if it takes me being right about FRC in order to go ahead and pull the same amount of viewers that I'm used to. Really, really wouldn't. I understand why, watching only a handful of charts is like only for some investors and traders, but execution is everything. HYMC. $48 crossing at 200 on GNS. Yeah, HYMC's at 5 in a cup. Labu up 10%. Wow, GNRC is up 14. GNS 15%. I'll take it. People should be researching their own plays. This is a city square where people talk about plays they see, not for advice on investments or chart watching. They can do that themselves. That's, yeah. I agree. Like, I mean, I just showed you the chart where SIVBQ went from like a penny to $1 in a day. So, like, the fact that anybody is going to have the balls to criticize me about watching FRC B, I think that's actually comical. What's up, Dean? Bitcoin to the 48? AQSC's moving.
It's 11:20 a.m. Eastern Time. We expect comments from ECB Supervisor Joshnik, a member of the Supervisory Board of the ECB, at the annual ECB Banking Supervision Research.
Bitcoin's trying above the 48. It's close. Good morning, Steve. Oh, you're not a member anymore. Oh. Good morning. I'm up, but I'm also down elsewhere. So, like, it is what it is. It's kind of a scrub. Later. I love how he leaves as Bitcoin is going up. Isn't that funny? People who try to force you to watch the chart they want to watch won't be around long enough to matter. They're the type to blow up accounts. Exactly. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Decided to not look at charts? Oh boy. Well, there's some good deals on the table, Steve. Mullen just underneath 200. TRKA. What up with her? Go ahead. Go ahead. Alright. Now let's remember, guys, 91.5% down. Sorry, I'm just trying to be accurate. So 91.4 down at the moment. Let's see. Bitcoin trying to push 2 key level. Want to get over red line? GNS up 17%. Hub C is doing exactly what we talked about. $568 on AMC. Ape to 153. Trying for the gold cross on TRKA. Volume on FRCB is now 97.8 mil. TRKA is trying up. I don't know if it's going to hold it though. TRKA. Again, I don't know if it's going to hold.
At 11:20 a.m. Eastern Time, we expect comments from ECB's Jochnik, a member of the Supervisory Board of the ECB, at the annual ECB Banking Supervision Research.
There's no volume right now, just eating supply at the bottom. I think. VIX to an 1870. GNS 17%. In between the 48 and the 200 here on muln. FRC to same levels. 98.7 million volume still. Bitcoin trying up, going for that key red level. Light volume on TRKA 6.4 at the moment. Super trend on FRC. Can it carry? Bitcoin's trying. to work at a rehab center. Go ahead, Bitcoin. Follow yourself up. I want to establish on top of that red line. Guys, if FRC does take off, I don't know if there's going to be much stopping it. Right out there. Not financial advice. It's a very, very dangerous play, though. To be very clear. Very, very dangerous play.
Shortly expecting comments from ECB's Jochnik.
Wow. It's only done 20,000 in volume in like the last like 5 minutes on TRKA. Wasn't expecting to see that. A little bit of change. Bitcoin back to that key level. AI up 1.2. Wow, I'm kind of disappointed with myself on my lack of execution on Hub C. I mentioned it when it was at 52 cents and change yesterday. Oh well. Octo down 14% after the run that it had yesterday. Agba down 15% after the run it had. DXY to a 101.37. RSI and Bitcoin's at 51. I'm gonna have to reset this fucking video in a second. Oh. Right. Okay. So recently here, people are like asking me why I'm even wasting my time charting FRC. That reason is very, very simple. So SIVB, I know it's a complete SIVB. When they went OTC, they like 3 cents, 5 cents, whatever. And then the next day they were at 97 cents. So I guess my response would be anybody not charting FRC, I think is doing a disservice to themselves. And that's not financial advice. It's just like look at the like most recent similar, circumstance.